Hey everyone, in this YouTube video, I wanted to show you how to increase views and subscribers on YouTube with one simple tool. It's called TubeBuddy and it's completely changed my game on YouTube. I've been using it for almost 2 years on 5 different YouTube channels and it's really helped me, especially on this channel, to grow my channel to over 1 million views a month, over 7 million views on this channel alone. So TubeBuddy is a free tool with premium upgrades. So I'm gonna walk you through the free options and the premium upgrades, show you what each one has, what benefits it gives you, and it's really a game changer when it comes to YouTube. So I wanted to make a complete walkthrough video to show you how to use TubeBuddy and grow your YouTube channel. Let's take a look. So first of all, you could click the link in the description to get TubeBuddy for yourself. There is a free option that you could use that will get you pretty far. And after you do use it for a while, you could look at some of these options for upgraded plans. Right now, I'm gonna use the Legend plan that I have here to show you some of the options that I use. But the free option does have a lot of useful features. So click the link, install TubeBuddy, and let's jump into YouTube and see how it works. So all these different things that you see here that TubeBuddy has installed for me after I install it on my YouTube is showing up here. So title and description, thumbnails, end screen. But over here, if you click this icon, it will give you this whole dashboard for TubeBuddy. So all these options will take you to different parts of YouTube. So dashboard, my videos, and so on. On any page on YouTube, you have your keyword explorer that I'll talk about in a second. And then you could go ahead and jump into your TubeBuddy account. And I have this installed on literally all my YouTube channels. So my 4 and 5 different YouTube channels all have TubeBuddy installed. The one you're on now is the Legend plan, but there's a bunch of starter plans that I have on my other channels. So let's start with the number one way I use TubeBuddy, and you should too. So if you're growing a YouTube channel, you probably have other channels that you're looking up to in order to grow your channel, your competitors. It doesn't matter what you're doing, makeup, gaming, how-to, you could basically find other channels that are like yours. So let me find one of my other channels to show you this. So here's a different channel I have. Let's say this was one of my competitors, and I wanted to compare my channel to this channel. So this is what you got to do. Go to that person's channel, and once you get TubeBuddy, you should have this Channelytics, this little icon here on their homepage. So go to their homepage and click this and check this out. This tool I literally use every day for the last 2 years. Once you do this, it compares your channel to their channel. So it's showing me I've had 5,000 subscribers in the last 30 days. They've had 9. I could click this drop down and see how many views they've had compared to me. I've had over 1 million, they had over 400. So I could see how they're comparing against me. And then I could click videos to see how many videos I uploaded. On this channel, I upload daily. In this case, both channels are mine, so it's not very useful. I already know these numbers, but you could compare this with your competitors. So then you could see, wow, they've uploaded 29 channels every single day, so maybe you should step it up and upload every single day. You could see their subscriber to view ratio here based on what they're getting view and subscriber, and you could see the real-time subscriber count here. You could even see their channel tag. So this is super useful to see what your competitors are doing in order to do the same thing or better. Now check this out. This is the other way to spy on the competitors. Let's click on a video. Let me just pause it for a second here. So here on this video, check this out. I could go over here and see exactly what's going on with that video. So I could see again how many views they've had, thumbs up to thumbs down ratio, which you could also see here. But you could see if their SEO, if their other suggested video are tagged. But most importantly, you could see their tags and you could copy those tags. So you could copy those to your clipboard and use similar tags in your videos. This is a huge help and it's only available because of TubeBuddy. And I could also see these best practices so I can make sure I do better. Do they have a high resolution thumbnail? Yes. Do they have card or end screen? No. So I'll make sure I do that. Has it been shared on Twitter and Facebook? No. Caption and likes and comments, everything else. So in this case, they do have a comments and it's been pinned, so it gets those check marks here, but a comment has not been hearted, so they could heart a comment to get this. But these best practices and these tags are priceless. Here, let me go to Marcus's channel here. This is the biggest channel in the ecosystem. So now I could see that here, this is the tags that he's used. Has he used one of the best practices here? About half of them. I could see the views and subscribers for the channel and social shares specific to this video. And just to show you a big channel here, I'll do the Channelytics here. I'll click on his channel here. I'll click the Channelytics icon. And let's see, again, I've got 5,000 subscribers. He's got 237,000 subscribers in the same time frame. And I could see with views, with videos, he's done 10 videos. I've done close to 30, and he's gotten a lot more views, obviously 42 million compared to my 1 million. So again, if I want some competition and if I want to grow my channel like he's doing, I know I have a ways to go. So that will motivate me to get going, either upload more videos or increase my video value. Let me jump into Creator Studio. I want to show you one more thing with TubeBuddy here that I use every single day. So here I'm going to jump to a video that I'm about to publish later today, how to kick off anyone from Netflix. So here, if I go to this page, you could see that my TubeBuddy allows me to have these tags here, and then I could go ahead and do Keyword Explorer. So you see I have all these recommended tags here related to this. I could then press Keyword Explorer and I could type in Netflix, for example. I could press Explore and I could see a bunch of tags related to Netflix. I could see my chance of ranking for that is huge. This one right here, this number. So I know if I make a video called Netflix, my chances of ranking for it is very poor. So now how to kick someone off Netflix? I basically put my title. It says I have an excellent chance of ranking for that video. And now this is based on my channel, and it gives me all these different related keywords that I could use in my title, in my description, in the tag section. Honestly, I don't know why anyone will make videos without knowing this. If I have a 9% chance of ranking, why would I ever do it? But if I have an excellent chance of ranking for that video, of course I'm gonna make that video. So I use this all the time to know what videos to actually make. And if you click over here on this TubeBuddy tab, that will always be there on any page. Again, you could jump into anything you want here inside of TubeBuddy. And your Keyword Explorer, what I just showed you, is always available here. You got your video topic planner too. And it could even give you the best time to publish if you want to learn more about that. But the 3 things I showed you here for TubeBuddy, including these best practices that you could actually use to check off, make this tool priceless. I make thousands of dollars now on YouTube every single month because of TubeBuddy, and all I pay for is a $50 a month plan. Again, the link in the description gives you a free plan too, but you could always upgrade to get some of the options that I showed you. For example, the Legend plan gives me all these recommended tags. Without these, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to put in my description or my tags. This is priceless to me. So paying $10, $20, or $50 a month for this option was not at all a hard choice I had to make, but I did start with a free trial. Again, click the link in the description. Make sure you get TubeBuddy. If you've ever made a YouTube video, this is a must-have tool. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post easy to follow YouTube videos every single week to help you grow your YouTube channel, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching.